Achari chicken, guys. This is going to be a lovely, delicious one. So add some oil. A couple of dried red chilies. Got about a teaspoon of parched puran. Less than half cumin seeds. 1 bay leaf. Just going to cook these for about 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds on medium heat, low to medium heat. So Achari chicken, this is going to be a Bangladeshi home style, so you wouldn't get this at the Indian restaurants or anything. So this is going to be making it from scratch, so you can follow along. About 2 small onion sliced in here. So once the onions have softened, as you can see, and caramelized, we're going to add our salt. So I'm not cooking much today, so I'm going to put just under a teaspoon of salt. Again, you can add it to taste. I'm really cooking 1 piece of chicken leg. We've got our ginger and garlic paste, so again, tiny bit, so 1 teaspoon I've got in there. Just to mix that all together, and then just going to wait for the rawness of the ginger and garlic paste to go, and then add our spices. So again, it's on sort of low heat at the moment, just helping the onion to caramelize and soften. Quite a bit of hot water. You see our onions have softened, so I'm going to start adding our spices now. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Half coriander, 1/4 haldi powder, and about just over half of chili powder. So I'm going to put the flame up now and really cook this rice. And then we will add on tomato and chicken. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes and add in our tomato. I'm just going to leave that there for the tomato to soften. I'm going to stir it occasionally just to avoid the spices burning. Right guys, so once the tomato has softened, we can add in our chicken. And we're going to cook the chicken on high flame to keep the moisture in the chicken, so the chicken will be nice and soft. So put your high flame on and cook it for a couple of minutes. Keep the lid off at this point. Okay guys, so it's been about a couple of minutes. I've been cooking the chicken in high flame, so it's sealed. What we're going to do now is leave it on slightly lower heat and let the chicken cook nicely. Give it a nice little stir, mix it in all the spice. So we're going to cook the chicken on low flame for about 5 minutes or so. Give it the occasional stir. So the chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes on low heat now. So you can add some hot water. So again, about half a cupful. And again, if you want more sauce, add more water. And what we're going to do now, leave it on medium heat and let the chicken cook fully now. So guys, if you want more sauce, add more water to make more hot water to make the sauce. I probably will add a bit more. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium, just under medium, and let the chicken just cook nicely. Right, here we go guys, look at that. That smells, the patch put on and the cumin seeds make it smell absolutely amazing. Right, so this is almost done now, so just the final stage. So our chicken is cooked, our masala, which is our curry sauce, is looking absolutely amazing. As we said, if you want more sauce, go for it, add a bit more water and then reduce down to your consistency you want. Now this is the final stage left now, so what we're going to do now is add our coriander. Give it a mix. I'm going to add whole chili just for the, not for the heatness, but just for the flavour, smell, aroma of the chili to come through. Now here, this is where the Achari chicken magic happens. We've got, I'm going to add a teaspoon of, or tea in it, half a spoon of lime pickle. I'm just going to gently stir that in and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then this dish is ready. So the lime pickle, you can pick that up from any supermarket or any of the Asian shops, or next time you're ordering a curry from your local curry house, you can just get a tub of lime pickle. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes, then we're good to go, guys. Alright guys, it's been simmering away for the last 5 to 6 minutes, and here we have our end product, which is our Achari chicken home style. So you won't get this Achari chicken at the restaurant, so look at that, absolutely amazing. This is going to be packed full of flavours, with the pachpuram, with the cumin seeds, with the achar. Right, enjoy the recipe guys, let us know what you think, give us a like and a share, and obviously if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.